A custom thumbnail is something that makes you go wow and stand out in that search bar. This is how you can add your very own custom thumbnails in the new YouTube Studio. Here we go. Hello and welcome back to another video. I'm Lance Spicer, your YouTube certified expert. If you're looking to start a YouTube channel, grow your YouTube channel, or push your brand out there onto the second largest search engine on the internet, you should click subscribe. Start creating. Thumbnails! They grab your attention. They are the thing you click on. Those are the things that, frankly, if we're honest, win you to an audience, to a channel. But maybe you're having problems because you're stuck with the auto-generated ones and you don't know where to find the option to add your own custom thumbnail for live streams, for pre-recorded videos in the new YouTube Studio dashboard. Let's go to the computer. But before we deep dive into this video is sponsored by TubeBuddy. It's an online browser-based plugin that can help optimize your titles, your descriptions, your tags, get you more views, get you more subscribers, and generally take away the grind, the day-to-day tasks that you just can't be bothered with. It also links up with their mobile phone app in which you can check your stats on the go, communicate with people, and just generally level up your YouTube game. There is a link in the description below on how to install it for free. So to upload a custom thumbnail, what you do is you go to videos on the left hand side. It will land you on this page where it lists all of your videos and you can scroll down and pick the video that you want to add your thumbnail to. In this case, I have a very specific video, which is my test video, but you can also search for it in the search bar up here. If you know what your video is called, you simply search, it suggests, and you click. This is the video information screen where you add your titles, your descriptions, your tags, and here underneath you will see some auto-generated thumbnails and a box that says custom thumbnail. So if you click on there, you'll have a chance to upload your thumbnail from your computer. I'm going to use these as an example. Let's use my super chat one. You click open and then it fills it in here. Now I suggest that the thumbnail is 1920 by 1080, that is full high definition for thumbnail, and then that way it can be seen not only on YouTube and mobile but also on large devices such as TVs as well. When you're done, you click save and it is done. If you're looking for help with any of the new YouTube Studio features, I've done a dedicated playlist right here. Remember to hit subscribe for regular YouTube tricks and tip tutorials. Go out there, start creating.